Hey there, welcome to our deep dive into the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System 10-in-1 Air Fry Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Now, I know that was a mouthful, but trust me, this bad boy is worth every syllable. Let's start with who this oven is for. If you're someone who loves cooking but is always on the go, this appliance is perfect for you. It's also a game changer for those looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL allows you to air fry, air roast, broil, bake, and so much more, all in one sleek and efficient package. Now, let's talk about the benefits and features of this versatile oven. With 1,800 watts of power, this Ninja oven can do it all. The Pro Cook system ensures even cooking every time, while the integrated thermometer takes the guesswork out of making sure your food is perfectly cooked. No more under or overcooking your meals. This oven has your back. One of my favorite features of this oven is the air fry function. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy fried food and hello to crispy, delicious dishes with up to 75% less fat. You can also air roast for that perfect golden brown finish, broil for a quick sear, or bake like a pro. The possibilities are endless with this Ninja oven. But how do you use all these functions effectively? It's simple. Just choose your desired cooking method, set the temperature and time, and let the Ninja Prestige Smart XL do the rest. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and customize your cooking experience. Now, let's talk about some real-life usage scenarios. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and being able to whip up a delicious, nutritious meal in minutes. With the Ninja Prestige Smart XL, dinner is a breeze. You can make everything from crispy air-fried chicken to perfectly baked desserts with ease. And with its spacious capacity, you can cook for the whole family without breaking a sweat. If you're still on the fence, let me give you a quick comparison. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL outperforms other air fryers and toaster ovens on the market with its Pro Cook system, integrated thermometer, and multiple cooking functions. It's truly a kitchen powerhouse that will revolutionize the way you cook. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your kitchen game with the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System 10-in-1 Air Fry Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Say goodbye to mediocre meals and hello to culinary excellence. Order yours today and start cooking like a pro. Trust me, you won't regret it.